Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and create a simple function that helps us to calculate the arithmetic mean of elements. So let's go ahead and create a simple function by saying div avg underscore list. Then you go ahead and pass in the parameter, let's say first. Now we go ahead and say, let's say last is equal to length, and pass in the value of first right in there, and then let's sum be equal to 0, and using a for loop go ahead and say that for I in first, sum plus equal to I. Then we go ahead and return sum, divide that by last. Now let's go ahead and ask the user to insert some values. So go ahead and say insert some integer values. So insert some integer values. Then we go ahead and say x is equal to input. Alright, so we can also go ahead and then cut everything right here. Let's go ahead and collect everything right here and delete this print. Alright, delete this print and come inside here and say that x is equal to input. Alright, and go ahead and paste all this right there. Alright, remove one of these. Go ahead and remove one of these and remove one of this. Alright, so now we ask the user to insert some variables, and x equal to x dot split. Alright, now let's go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in range. So for I in range, and go ahead and say the length of x that is inserted, and then we go ahead and say that x with the value of I is equal to integer with the value of x of I element. Alright, so now let's go ahead and say that average, let average be equal to avg list, average equal to avg list, and passing the value of x right in there, and then we go ahead and print out average. So to print out average, we go ahead and say that let's go ahead and say print, and go ahead and say the result of the average, equal, go ahead and put a comma and round this up to average, comma 2. Now let's go ahead and run this code. If everything being equal, it's going to work out very fine. So let's go ahead and insert some numbers: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hit enter. And the result of the average is equal to 6.5. Can you see that? The result of average is equal to 6.5. Let's go ahead and run this code one more time. And let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And go ahead and hit enter. The result of the average is 5.0 because you added everything here and you divided that. Okay, So if you divide that, it's go ahead and give you the average. So that is how we can be able to use functions to get the arithmetic mean of the list of elements. So I believe that is okay. Go ahead and put in that down on your own system and play around with it. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.